Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how we're going to make our PowerPoint on contemporary graphic designers. So you're going to follow the red folders and then you're going to click on PowerPoint on contemporary graphic designer. Once this loads, you'll notice that you can see a description here, and there's a short outline right here on what I'm expecting for the PowerPoint. You can also view the rubric on here, and I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. There is a sample PowerPoint on here that you can download. There's an APA reference page, how-to document. There's also a citation machine because we are using APA format for this. And I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to open it in a new window because I want to make sure that I have this open. And there's also another reference here called Purdue OWL, and this is APA formatting and style guidelines. Okay, so then I'm going to scroll all the way back up to the top and I'm going to click on my document. And I'm just going to wait for this to load. Okay, so once this loads, you'll notice that this opens in a preview. So this is going to show you a preview of what this is. You can edit in here, but I don't recommend it. My recommendation is that you open this up in Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to go to Google Drive. When I click on Google Drive, I'm going to go over here to the right side, and where it says Google Apps, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to say Drive. And you'll notice that it opens up right here. And I can now open this up and I can title my document here. So I'm going to title this The Amazing World of, and let's say Eric Carle. And make sure that you put your first name and last name here. All right, so on the second page, this is where you're going to give me the background that you were able to find on the artist. So you can keep this to artist background, or you can change the title to something unique. If you were able to find when the artist was born, so their birth date, you're going to insert their birth date here and where the artist grew up. Any other information based off of where their background is, you can do that there. So you're going to insert a picture of the artist right here. So I'm going to go to Insert to Image, and I'm going to do a search here for Eric Carle. And let's look for graphic designer. Okay, so since I'm not having much success over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new tab, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a Google Images search, and I want to use this image right here. So I'm going to hold down Control on my keyboard, and I'm going to click Save Image As, and I'm going to save this image, and then I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to go to Upload, and I'm going to upload that image that I just downloaded. So I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to resize this so that it fits in my PowerPoint, and I can erase this from here. So now I have an image of Eric Carle, and I also have his background on here. So that's how you would insert an image from a Google search. All right. On the next page, on slide 3, you're going to give the education background. So where did the artist attend college? And then I want you to insert a picture of the artist university here. So if the artist went to New York University, you would look for a picture of New York University and insert it there. If you can't find this information, you can delete the slide and just explain when you turn it in. For slide 4, you're going to explain the artist's career. So the artist was known for his or her, and then type 2 to 3 sentences of what he or she was known for. And then make sure that you insert a quote from the artist. You need at least 3 quotes throughout this presentation. Insert a picture of one of the artist's artwork, and make sure that you note the title of the artwork and the year that the artwork was made. If the artist won any awards, any major awards, then you want to insert a picture of the artist accepting one of the awards or one of the artworks listed with the awards, or you can insert a picture of the award itself. Again, you want to insert an artist quote here. You do need 3 quotes throughout the whole presentation. And then over here, you can simply just list the awards that the artist has won. On slide 6, if the artist has been published in any books and illustrations, you can make note of that on here. Again, you can insert pictures here, and there's space to insert the quote. Anytime that you insert a picture, make sure that you're citing the sources as well. So page 7, 8, and 9, these are all the same. Every single artist should have 3 artworks in the PowerPoint presentation. Again, this is another great place that you can insert an artist quote here. So that's a quote from the artist themselves. So you want to describe why you like this artwork. This is very important. So if you like the artwork, if you don't like it, you just want to describe that over here. And then the last page is for citations. So make sure that you follow APA citations. Don't have to worry about that, but you just want to make sure that you're following those APA citations. If you do use, so I'm going to go back over to the assignment. So if you do use this citation machine, this is a great tool to use because it basically puts it into APA citations for you. So I'm going to go to Eric Carle's home website here. So I'm going to click down here and I'm going to click on his home website. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to real quick show you how to put this in APA citation machine. So if I paste the website here, and again I have APA selected, website, and search websites. So what it's going to do is it's going to search the database and it's going to find citations for you. So you're going to click select and then you're going to click final step. And after you do that, you're going to say create citation. And now all you have to do is just simply copy this and paste this right into here. Now, this may not be in the right format, so what you can do is you go up here to the text editor, the highlight you want to make transparent, and let's change the text color so that we can see it. And let's make it a little bit bigger so that we can see it. And again, I'm just going to change the highlight to transparent, and I'm going to click on text here, and I'm going to make the text white so that I can see it. All right, and you want to make sure that the APA citations are in alphabetical order. So if I have another citation after this, and that the next citation begins with something closer to A, then that would go above this. All right, and that's how you're going to do your citations. Then once you're all finished, what you're going to do is you're going to come back over here into Schoology, and you're going to click Submit Assignment. And I'm going to click yes, submit assignment. And you'll see the rocket ship, and that means that you're all finished.